So those troubles codes, what it mean? Usually it means that some of contact or connector, sometimes the sensor on gears actuator is not okay and need to resolve. Why? It's not the sensor. For example, you have code, you erase code, you start drive, you drive 5-10 minutes, 1 day, 2 days, up, and you have this code. You turn off ignition, turn on, start again. If the sensor not okay, you cannot start from start. But if the contact plain, this can be have this trouble code. The sensor, how it built and how it working. This sensor contain two sensors, same sensors, 3 contacts for one sensor and 3 contacts for another one. Inside it has two fully the same sensors and them working together. And if the computer see that one of them working not like first one, it has difference. It give us one of this code. And what it can be and why it happens. Or the contact not okay, resistance go higher, the voltage go low, and it see like the sensor, two sensors not working the same. Or contact, or wire, or contact on the TCM, or maybe it has some water inside or some rust. Okay. So what I need to do? Need to clean the contact. Maybe need to little bend them that the contact will more good. But if no help, you can change the sensor. But if no help and you always have this code, need to change loom wire. See, I have brand new connector with wires. All wires must be the same, with same resistance. If you need it, I have. Okay. What else I need? I need solder with the stuff, cutter, knife, this unit, tube, isolate band, and the multimeter, but multimeter with this and this. You see, this is the wire from the welding that I will know broke the contact in the TCM. It's like this. I'm not pushing inside more, just little, and I will know broke nothing. Okay, this is the much more important in all those tools. Okay, so let's do it. And I will solder only for one wire. I'm cut one wire, solder one wire, cut one wire, solder one wire. Check that will no any mistake. This is the TCM. Опа. So I put the new wire, I remove the old connector, and let's check the one, another one, and let's check. You see, it's very good. I don't see some problem, but sometimes it's not possible to see. Yeah, it looks okay, but bad contact or some bad wire. Not always, maybe in some situation. You see, sensor also all okay, but sometimes we have this code, and this is the reason why I will change the full wires. And very important to use this small needle to not destroy, not damage the contact in TCM connector. Now I'm checking wire by wire. Check, cut. Check one wire, cut one wire. All wire diagram you can find under the video. Wire diagram like this. You will have two links with translate to the English how to check the sensor and what the contacts in one connector and another one connector. You see, very easy, one by one. И так каждый проводок, шаг за шагом. Один, 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 один. Отрезал, запаял, отрезал, запаял. So, and step by step, each of wire, cut, solder, cut, cutting, soldering, cutting, soldering. Don't hurry up. Опа, 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 опа. So all working with no any mistakes. That's all.